back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Alright,
yes guys, you don't know it's PATOIS Chronicles. Big up yourself. You come here in Jamaica when you're waiting for ackee and saltfish. Yes, Jamaica's national dish. You have to come here and eat it and listen to the music, and you don't know reggae, yes, say it come from, and chillax a bit and get into the groove and ting. Yes, so you come here, you have to try out this underground provision then beside it. Alright, so right now, wanty, can't get it, and get it, now wanty. To find out what this means, watch this entire video now. Boom. First on the list. Pitching at the sky, it falling on your eye. Yes, look up. Look up. Pitching at the sky, it falling on your eye. So these are some Jamaicans proverbs coming at you with today. So your pit in the sky, it fall in your eye. So tell me if you get it. Say it now. Pit in the sky, it fall in your eye. Right. So you see, so you can get it now. So wait, meaning now in English translation. What you do or wish for others could eventually be the cause of your downfall. Be careful how you treat others. Boom, bang, bang. Next panelist. Ango Paki come. That one here you see my mother say it's a whole heap of time to people. Ango Paki come. Yes. Alright, so you come here in Jamaica, you have to know your proverb them too, you know. Cause we say it a lot so you know the meaning then, right? So Ango Paki come. Some say an or some say an. So depending on where you are in Jamaica, where you're coming, where you stay, you might hear a little bit of twisting. Remember me a Kingstonian, alright? So I'm not deep down in the patois pronunciation as such. So here with me here in the English language, of course, when you reach out a helping hand, good things come back to you. Of course, Jamaica is known, of course, as a Christian country, and as well as a country who love to help and support people, genuine, but also another part of panelists everywhere have different, but you don't know so Jamaican article. See it now, Irie. Every mickle make a muckle. Every mickle make a muckle. You might say, Neisha, what is this? Yes. Every mickle make a muckle. See, you come in a Jamaica, no matter where you go through, girl, don't dash that away, you know. Not showing a leftover, not showing a silver car. Every mickle, some say every, some say every. So every mickle make a muckle. Say it now. Every mickle make a muckle. So have a little thing with it, don't it? Yeah, we can see it. Have a little shrubs aguana. I say, I don't know. You tell me.
So every mickle make a muckle. See what you mean here now in an English translation.
This is what it means in English translation. Every little makes something, or everything makes sense. Every small thing. So don't wait for a large amount. You have small amount. Do it what you have and bless and give God thanks for it. Alright? Be grateful. Next on the list. Wanty, can't get it, and get it, now wanty. So here in Jamaica, you come here, this is very well known. Everybody down here in a jam down yardie know this. Always a saying, you see wanty, can't get it, and get it, now wanty. Soon tell you what this means in English. You come here, you have to know that one here now. You have to know that one here, because when you come here, you have to say it. Alright? Because that one here a well known thing we are talking about, you know. So strike now. Wanty, can't get it, and getty no wanty. Right, nice, clap yourself. See what it mean here in an English translation. He who wants it desperately can't get it. He who gets it easily does not want it or appreciate it. That's how it goes. Right there, that's how we just leave it. This just circle, C is done. Panelist next on the list. Hey, Jamaican proverb within today. If you want good, your nose have to run. So we are listening music and I eat. I can't starfish and ground provision. We call dumpling, yam and banana. Yes, so them things that we not live on cereal. We eat it, but we know. Give away ground provision. Alright, so when you come here, ask for ground provision. So if you want good, your nose have to run. Try it. Say it. If you want good, your nose have to run. Boy, me I tell you my phone choose the wrong time for the day right now, but me tell you this now what it mean. And as I see the English translation pop up, you know exactly what it mean. So if you want good, your nose have to run. You want good education, you have to study hard. You want to get closer to God, you have to pray more. Alright? You want good, your nose have to run. It takes yes. So we're going to wait for the English to come in. Come and know say they're right close by, you know. I'm going to talk out the thing, but try it now. Right, you get it. Look on you down there. Tap it down in the chat. Word for today, success. Somebody say it already. I'm going to come back with another video. See what it mean here now. Of course, English translation. Success requires hard work. Be smart as well. So yes guys, yes, we come to the end of another PATOIS Chronicles. Yes, big up on yourself. See you in morning glory. You know the time may change according to work schedule, 6 a.m. or 6:30 a.m. Of course, I'm inviting you to games night. Time can change there so to 7:30 p.m. or 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. Come in and make we have a little, you know, celebrate and ting and you know. So alright, thank you guys. Remember to check them in the description box. My members, connect with them, love them, leave a comment. Genuine now, and a genuine thing. And of course they will come back to you. If we are not a family, what you wait on? Give me the likes, give me the thumbs up and share me out and leave a comment and some there. And we will come back to you. Alright, so peace, walk good, boom bang, bang.